It may be challenging to get a credit card after filing for bankruptcy, as most credit card issuers are hesitant to extend credit to individuals who have filed for bankruptcy because they are considered to be high-risk borrowers. However, this does not mean that it's impossible to get a credit card after bankruptcy. One way to get a credit card after filing for bankruptcy is to apply for a secured credit card. A secured credit card requires a deposit, which acts as collateral for the credit card issuer, which means that they are more likely to approve you. As you use the card responsibly, you can then rebuild your credit score and later apply for an unsecured card. In what may seem counterintuitive, you may receive a number of credit card offers immediately after completing bankruptcy because issuers know that you will not be able to discharge debt for a number of years. These offers may be for credit cards with lower limits and higher interest rates. However, it may be useful to apply and use some of these cards responsibly to start rebuilding your credit. It's recommended to be selective in applying for credit and to shop around for the best offers. It's also important to make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the credit card.